Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
As they make their blow, ladies and gentlemen, and we go through all of our handicaps, you can start to get behind them and rally and give them a little support out there over the fence. And let's see if we can find them a winner. We will certainly let you know, mixing it up from Jin Jin, Woodford, Kilcoy, Mudgee Bar, Springshaw, Wanuran, Race Q. Got them all there and they make a run for home, and all of them will have a winner for you. Come on, let's congratulate them for a great effort, these fellas, ladies and gentlemen. It's our open 275mm underhand handicap. Our judges go through them and watch them and give some official placings.